Would you look what we got here? We got us a new camera. Before we actually jump straight into the video, I just want to say that throughout this video I am messing around with different cameras or different positions, whether I have both cameras in at the same time. The front camera is smaller, the front camera is bigger, it's switching back and forth. So please watch the video in its entirety and then leave a comment, tell me which do you prefer. Let me know. Anyway, enjoy the video. Oh, so how's it going, guys? Mono Dragon here again. Back with another video. Back on another cold day. Fucking 5 degrees in my hole, it's -1. Oh, and look, I got a new toy. I got me a front-facing cam. Oh yes, starting the new year off right. We're meant to get a really bad cold snap. So I just said, you know what, I'm gonna go out on the bike and just give it a run, test out the new camera. But as you can see, the roads are actually in shit, so I'm not going to go far. Also, this isn't the final place for the front camera. I cut my actual handlebar mount, was designed for my last bike, the MT-07. Well, not designed for, but it was for a smaller handlebar. So I have it mounted where I have the where I mount the GoPro on the track. So it's pretty much on the front cal, which I don't like it there because on the road, you know, you have rocks and the big touchscreen is facing the road. And my luck is that it'll smash. I also can't find my boot. I still can't find my fucking boots. They're somewhere in the house. So I just grabbed my shoes and I forgot that I'm wearing like low socks and my ankles are frozen. I was hoping that it would warm up today and I could get a few cool wheelies in at the front camera, but yeah, no, it's actually -1 now and the roads are in shite. Anyway guys, I hope that you are well. I hope you had a great Christmas and also a happy new year. It's like the 6th of January today, so yeah, I'm so happy I bought this camera. I've been wanting a front camera for a while, and if you haven't noticed, it's actually a DJI Osmo. I was going to get another Hero 7 Black, mainly because it would just keep the quality the exact same, like, you know, for the camera, and it would actually just make editing like so much easier. But I got the DJI Osmo charge kit, comes with 2 other batteries for like €230. So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna buy that because the GoPro Hero 7 Black, it's gonna be discontinued like next year, so what's the point? And the Osmo was meant to be amazing, and so far I've actually whacked my mirror and not working. And so far I love the interface, and I love the big screen at the back. The big screen makes the camera so nice to use. I'm just gonna go through the town. My arse cracks on show as well. I'm getting cold in my back. Then my bums. Oh, it's so cold. But yeah, I'm delighted I got my new camera. I don't know what way I have the position set up. I was kind of hoping to have it here, but I don't actually know where to mount it for like the best viewing angle. Expect a Hero 7 Black and Osmo review out. I know it's been done since the camera came out, but no, I'd like to do it like from someone who actually owns both of them, not just bought them and used them for a week or two. But you know, I've used the Hero 7 Black for a year and a bit. No, actually it'd be about 2 or 3 years now I've used it. Since it came out I bought it, and well, the roads here are soaking. I thought they'd be nice and dry. And the Osmo was released around the same time actually, because I was gonna get an Osmo before I got the Hero 7, but they were actually more expensive than the Hero 7 Black at the time, so I just said okay. Also, my mate got a Hero 9 Black, so we are gonna do a video as well comparing them. And especially when it comes to bikes, you all come to my channel for bikes, not for what does it look like when you're running up the street. You want to see what's like on the bike for a video. It was a complete and utter impulse purchase. I seen it for the price. I just so happened to go, I was like, you know what, I want a front camera. Let's see if there's any offers or sales, and by George there was. It's going to be interesting editing this as well, because obviously I've never done it with the 2 cameras, so it'll be fun to find my own way of doing it. But I hope all you guys are excited. It also means when I'm in Mondello and I'm on the track, I now have 2 cameras. So so I can mess about with more mounting options. I was thinking of buying different panels for the bike so that I could stick mounts to them and obviously not ruin the carbon fiber, because that would be a great big dirty sin. But what's the quality like? Can you see okay? I have to say straight away with the Osmo, so I'm not doing like a review of it, but like my first initial impressions of it were, again, the screen is just so nice to have a really big screen. The interface is really nice and just simple, like it's just icons. Now I love the GoPro, and you know, obviously the more you use the GoPro, the more you're just like, oh yeah, that makes sense, that, you know, menu makes sense, blah blah blah. But with my Hero 7 Black, one thing that goes weird with it is that it doesn't turn off straight away. It will, you know, beep 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 to turn off, and then it might take like 10 or 15 seconds, and it's very weird. With the Osmo, it's just on off, it's gonna record. I did, however, turn off voice commands because I think they're stupid. I don't want my camera to think I said stop recording and it automatically stops recording. So yeah, so far I love it, and I can't wait to mess around with it more. And that kind of brings me on to what I was going to talk about, is that Ireland's back in a level 5 restriction. So I'm actually doing this within my 5k. I'll have you know, pretty much all Draw the Town is within my 5k, which is good, so I can just kind of dick about. But yeah, we're back in level 5. We're going to get even tougher restrictions now, because we're fucked. We're pretty much fucked. So yeah, I wanted to get out, make a video just showing the camera off, because who knows when I'm going to get to go out next. Like, as I say in a lot of videos, that I have the pleasure of picking and choosing when I ride my bike now. And yes, that does mean the channel suffers, as we've seen over this year. This year was a complete madness. It was the first year that I didn't have to commute, and then COVID happened. Oh mate, come on, you're not a traffic warden. Crazy cat lady. God, you are. My channel took a significant hit because I've been working from home, and then obviously I had my off, so I was fixing my bike, but then, as I said, COVID. So yeah, it was a bit of a shit show this year, and so far this year starting off the exact same as last year. Who knows when I'm going to be able to go out and actually ride, but you know what, I'm okay with it. I'm going to go with the flow, and unfortunately if my channel suffers slightly with content, that just is an unfortunate byproduct of it. 2021, I do want to try to get my hands on some different bikes. Obviously the one thing I wanted was the front facing camera, so I'm delighted I have that now. And just everyone that has the front facing camera, it just, I don't know, makes the videos more interactive, I think. It's nice being able to switch and all, and I just think it's cool. I'm really excited to use it fully and use it properly, and I know it's going to be a pain in the hole because I'm going to have to keep remembering to charge batteries and all this stuff. And I'm so happy I found I had a 128 gig SD card lying around. I couldn't fucking find it, and thankfully I found it last night, so that's in the card now, so I don't have to worry. I have a 256 in my GoPro. Oh, it's slippy and wet here like a fucking fairy. Crazy cat lady may think I'm following her or flashing her. You can see the light on this bike is very bouncy. She's probably gonna think I'm fucking following her. But yeah, I want to try to get my hands on some bikes and get out in some more spins. Hopefully me, Grant and the Gorilla Biker can meet up again and do some fun stuff. We have kind of something we want to do, and it's just whether a case of if we can do it or not. We don't know. Obviously with COVID, we just don't know what's happening. My bike's still clean, thankfully. Just with all the salt and shit in the road, and it's just the slick. Like, this is the slick that made me come off. But I have much better tires this time. 2021 is going to be a very weird year because it started off weird. But I'm just going to try and make the most of it and do as much as I can. And I'm just so happy, as I said like a million times, I'm so happy I have the front camera, because I wasn't planning on getting it, and now that I have it, I'm delighted. And then I'm just slightly upset because I have it and we can't really do it. I can't go anywhere and take full advantage of it, but I'm happy I have it. And then, as I said, this isn't going to be the final mount for it because I don't like it. It's off center and yeah, it's not good. So I want to try get it here, but if I clamp it here, I can't use my phone mount. So I'll try to get something sorted. I might actually just put a sticky pad on my brake reservoir and do it that way. Why I like it on the front is because when I move the bars, the bike isn't, or the camera isn't moving them. So Might make for a cool effect actually. So hopefully once the weather starts to pick up, we can start going back to normality and we can start going back out for spins. And yeah, I am looking forward to this year. But as I said, Ireland's kind of gone back into a real danger zone. It's gone really, really bad. I think it's pretty much worse now than it was when we first got COVID. So yeah, oh my god, it's getting fucking freezing. I have the heat grips on, but I can't feel my hands. I can't feel the heat. But anyway guys, that is the video. I just wanted to show you my fabulous new toy that looks like it stopped recording. Did it? I don't know. Yeah, I can't wait to mess around with the camera and mounting options and just actually give you guys better content. I also just realized, how am I going to stop both cameras at the same time? I don't know. But anyway guys, look, that is the video. I hope all of you enjoyed. Again, I hope you had a great new year and a great Christmas, and hopefully I'll catch you all soon, and hopefully I'll have some more exciting content than more town vlogs that have nothing in them, that are just boring. And yeah. It's that cold, my pin lock, that it's actually failing. God damn it. Yeah guys, I guess the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Ciao, Rev.